This tutorial will show you how to create a power disconnect notification on Trackem. Start by clicking on Notifications in the menu, and then Add Notification. Power disconnect is located under our technical notifications, so click that to get started. The first option you have is to be notified when the device is reconnected to your vehicle. This will happen when an OBD device is plugged back in or when a wired device is reconnected to the vehicle's power. Next, you select whether you would like this notification set up for all vehicles or specific vehicles on your account. Next is the time of day that this notification will be active. By default, we set it to 24 hours a day from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. The days of the week by default are Monday to Friday, but you can add the weekends as required. Next is the method by which you receive the notification, the first option being the email address of the user currently logged in and setting up the notification. A pop-up window, which creates a pop-up on your screen when logged into the platform. Manage your app notifications to your smartphone app, or to send an email to the active driver currently driving the vehicle. You can also add email addresses of any other person, even if they do not have a user account on the system, for them to receive notifications as well. Last, you can choose when the notification is active, either always, or you can select active during a period, which allows you to select dates and times when the notification is active, and outside of those times, it will not be delivered. Once all your settings are complete, simply click Save on the bottom, and your power disconnect notification is ready to go.